I will start. I'm going to end within 20 minutes or so. So let us go back to that. Where is that? So we were at this point, and मैक्स मिन अल्फा बूटा प्रूनिंग कर रहे हैं। तो हमने पहले देखा कि क्योंकि यहाँ पे दो मिल गया है, which is that means कि this value is going to be less than or equal to 2. The bounds are like this, minus infinity and 2. और उसका मतलब है कि ये वैल्यू यहाँ पे थे हम, तो यहाँ पे 3, इसका मतलब था कि दिस वाज ग्रेटर देन 3, और इसका मतलब है लेस देन इक्वल टू 2। तो इसका मतलब हो गया कि वी नीड नॉट explore them more. So this is pruning. So this is beta pruning. We have pruned because of beta value. Now we come here again, we generate this and we generate this, and we find that this is going to be less than 14. और ये क्या है, ये greater than 3 है अभी तक. Okay, so that means कि we need to generate other values also. So we generate 5, so then it becomes less than 5. We generate 2, then it becomes less than 2, and since we have generated all of them, so minimum value is 2, so this becomes equal to 2. Okay, so this becomes equal to 2. So after finding this, after generating all these three nodes, we find that this value is 2, which is less than all the value, minimizing this user is, this player is min player. So at max player, we know that since it is 2, this is 3, this is less than equal to 2, so that means it is going to be 3. So that is alpha beta pruning algorithm. So in this we skipped generation of these many nodes. तो हमने अल्फा बीटा प्रूनिंग से काम को थोड़ा आसान कर दिया, काम को थोड़ा एफिशिएंट कर दिया. ओके, so in alpha beta pruning we do not generate all the nodes at one go. We generate nodes step by step as and when are required, and looking at the lower bounds and upper bounds at each node, we keep on observing, keep on evaluating that do we have to generate other nodes of a particular node, other child nodes of a particular parent node or not. So depending on these values, we will keep on deciding at every point, and due to that we may have to skip, we may decide to skip generation of some nodes, and that is the benefit of this algorithm, which we call alpha beta pruning. Okay, so here alpha, this value is alpha and this is beta, that is why this name is given alpha beta pruning. And alpha means, so alpha, what is the meaning of alpha? The value of best, that is highest value choice we have found so far at any choice point along the path for max. अल्फा का मतलब है कि मैक्स के किसी भी पाथ पर हाईएस्ट वैल्यू क्या मिला. ओके, दैट मींस कि वैल्यू ऑफ दैट नोड will always be greater than or equal to alpha. Okay, or beta, the value of best lowest value choice we have found so far at any choice point along the path for min. किसी भी min node के लिए beta value is the best value, lowest value we have found till now. Okay, so this is basically upper bound and this is lower bound for max node, this is upper bound for min node. Okay, this is upper bound for min node, beta is upper bound for min node, and this is lower bound for max node. The value of best highest value choice we have found so far. तो अभी तक highest value जो मिली यानी कि lower bound है alpha का. Okay. So this is assignment you will have to do. I have uploaded it in on the Google Drive. I will upload it on EduNext also, this assignment. This you will have to do using alpha beta pruning. Before that, I will go through another example to understand it more. Let me see, where is that?